Hello, students. So, today we are doing another beautiful poem, No Men Are Foreign, by James Kirkup. No Men Are Foreign. This is a beautiful poem written by James Kirkup. Here he lays emphasis on universal brotherhood. James Kirkup, he was a great English poet who has written many books, including his autobiographies, and he was a great translator and travel writer as well. And in this poem, he wants to say that all men living on this earth are equal. He wants to promote world peace. The boundaries on this earth are man made only. God has made all men equal. All men have same bodies, same features, same emotions, same feelings, and they are fed by all the natural resources equally. So we must forget all the enmities, wars, and hatred so that world can be made a peaceful place to live in. Okay, students. So, starting with the poem, the poet wants to say, remember, no men are strange and no countries foreign. Okay, he is laying stress on this thing that we must all remember that no men are strange, no man is unusual, we all are equal. No men are strange and no countries foreign. Okay, no place is foreign to us. Okay, what is the meaning of foreign? The foreign country means the country other than our country. Okay, no men are strange and no country is foreign, and beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Although we wear different types of dresses on the earth, but the body behind these dresses is same. The same body breathes in the same manner. Okay, like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. Okay, we all are walking upon the same land. Okay, there is no differences in land, same land we are walking upon. Okay, and one day in the same land we shall lie. Okay, what does poet want to say here? Poet want to say here that one day everyone will die in the same way. Okay, and after death everybody lies inside the earth, inside their graves. Okay, so all are equal.